The TB240 160cc 21-inch cut. I don't know. Your claws are scratchy. Come on. You happy? Is that the one you wanted? You get the one you wanted, Holly? Oh, you want the ball? Good girl. She was going into the toys to find a toy. And Henry is looking out the window. Hi, buddy. Happy day. It's Monday. Memorial Day. It's so damp and cold out. It's really stuffy this morning. I'm gonna go take a unstuffy medicine. I'm gonna have a nectarine and some oatmeal. We are at Lowe's buying a lawnmower. We don't know which one. I thought you knew which one you want. The TB240 160cc 21-inch cut. Oh, you excited for your new toy?
Yeah, I can't wait to show you how to use it so you can cut the grass.
Okay, I want to cut the grass. You never let me cut the grass. Because by letting me cut the grass officially means I do everything.
That's not true.
Yes, it is.
You don't shovel the driveway.
Because you don't let me. So we bought a lawnmower. We went to Papa's house to cut his grass.
Not with the lawnmower.
Not with the new lawnmower. Now I'm having iced tea and he's having coffee. What are you doing in here? Hanging out in the chair? Enjoying your day? Did you guys go for a walk?
No, you know what? I wasn't sure. You still go. I didn't know what to do was out there.
It's not raining.
Definitely no. That's a good time. But I want to.
Oh, you're watching Monsters. Monsters are great. I changed around my living room just a little bit. So that's that way and that's that way. So I can look out the door and see my hummingbird feeder. Dad's cutting the grass with his new lawnmower. Wow. Daniel's going for a walk with Chris.
You want to put the bag run?
Come on, let's go to the backyard. Have a nice walk, guys. So my friends here needed to go out. I wanted to take a nap. Where are you going? We're going this way. Come on this way. Good boy. Let's go to the backyard. I should have fit my Fitbit on because I think I've walked 8,000 steps already, just going in circles. I made a sandwich about 2 hours ago. I want to eat it. I'm like busy. I get distracted. I'm like, you guys, you're going in opposite directions, so you're dislocating my hand. Yeah, not nice. Get that bird, Holly, get it. Get it, Holly. It's gonna fly away. There it goes. Yeah, you snooze, you lose. What are you doing, guys? What are you doing? Who's back there? Who's behind the sofa? Who's in there? Oops. Who's behind the sofa? Oh! It's Theo! Run, Theo, run! Go high. Good boy. Stay away from the fire, though, because that's not good. Okay, we'll blow that out so we don't have any problems. Hi, John and John's feet. How are John's feet today? How's John's face?
My face is ugly, my feet are tired.
Your face is not ugly.
My face is ugly.
You have a scab on your elbow.
I'm fugly.
Don't eat that many crackers at once. Hi, Henry. And now we're sleeping. Good night. Love you. See you in the morning, bright and early. Beep.